In this module, we are going to learn about Harappan civilization. Indian history was studied from the period of Vedas till the last century. Dayaram Sanhi and Rakaldas Banerjee excavated the sites of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in the present Pakistan. It was called the Indus Valley Civilization because some of its important cities which were excavated first are located in the valley of river Indus and its tributaries. Many cities of Harappa civilization have been found. Among these, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in Pakistan, Kalibhangan in Rajasthan, Dholavira, Lothal in Gujarat, and Rakhigarhi in Haryana, which are prominent in India. The city planning. The cities of Harappan civilization were well planned. They were protected by forts. Wide roads, public wells, multi-storied buildings, and well-planned drainage system are the important features of Harappan cities. This system of town planning cannot be found elsewhere in the ancient civilizations. In Mohenjo-daro, a great tank for public bath, which is now called the Great Bath, was found. There are rooms on all the sides. The economic life. The weaving of cotton and woolen clothes were one of their main occupations. The production of baked bricks was another occupation. Cattle, goats, pigs, cats, dogs, camels, and donkeys were usually reared. The credit for growing cotton for the first time goes to India. Greeks called it Sindhus as it was produced in the river Indus. Harappans had the trade relationship with Mesopotamians. They called this civilization as Meluha. The social life. Both men and women were fond of decorating themselves. The women used some of ornaments like necklaces, fillets, armlets, finger rings, bangles, earrings, and nose studs. They were using cosmetics and knew the use of perfumes also. Marbles, balls, and dice were their sports. Bullfighting was their major entertainment. Toys depicting bullock carts were there for children along with dolls. The art of Harappan civilization. Small idols of Mother Goddess made of clay have been found in large numbers. More than 2000 terracotta seals have been found. A dancing girl's figurine statue and Beardman stone idol are the beautiful artifacts that have been found. Religion. People worshipped Pashupati Shiva, Mother Goddess. People and neem trees, sun, fire, earth, water, and snakes were also worshipped. Fire pits are found in Kalibhangan and Lothal, which is the proof for fire rituals. The script. Harappan had developed their own unique script and language. The scholars have been trying hard to understand the writings. The decline of cities. The cities of Harappan civilization began to disintegrate and gradually the entire civilization disappeared. So there are few reasons for this. They are the floods at regular intervals in Indus and its tributaries, the overuse of wood for burning bricks that destroyed the forest which necessitated in their migration. The Aryan who came from outside would have attacked them. The spread of infectious diseases. So all the above reasons might have been the cause for the disappearance of a great civilization. That's all for today. Thank you.